Hey all you animal lovers, tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. in the Milton Memorial Park, we will be making treats and toys for dogs, cats, and birds. We would love to have you join us, but if you can't, here are some of the things we will be making.
Dogs roll, so let's start with them. We are making pumpkin poppers. You will need 1.5 cups of uncooked rolled oats, a half a cup of 100% pure pumpkin puree, and 1/4 of a cup of water. Pour the oats into a food processor and pulse until they have the consistency of sand. In a large bowl, using your hands or a spoon, combine the oats and the pumpkin. Shape the mixture into balls. Transfer the treats to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator or freezer. Give your dog a treat.
We will be making a treat rattle. You will need an empty cardboard toilet paper roll, some cat treats, and a black marker. Fold one end of the toilet paper roll inside, creating a semi-closed end. Place several treats inside. Fold the other end of the roll, creating another semi-closed end. Now use the marker to decorate it to look like a cat. Now give it a little shake and watch your cat come running.
We can't forget our feathered friends. You will need a cookie cutter, 2 cups of birdseed, 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, a straw, a piece of yarn, and a cup of warm water. Mix all of the ingredients in a large bowl. Place your cookie cutter on a plate or tray and fill it with the birdseed mixture. Use your hand to press it down to form your cookie. Use a piece of straw to make a hole in each cookie so you can hang them up once they're dry. Let your cookies dry completely and then remove the straw and push them out of the cookie cutter. Thread the yarn through the hole and tie a knot. Now hang your creation on a branch for your bird friends to enjoy.
Come out to the park tomorrow and join us, but you have to register to attend. Go to the link in the description to register. Send us a picture via Milton Public Library, Milton, Delaware Facebook Messenger, or leave us a comment on Instagram at MTLibrary121. You can use the hashtag MiltonPLDESRP. Or bring them into the library for us to see. Check out this week's book recommendations.